For years, rumors swirled about a shadowy aircraft, glimpsed only at dusk over the Nevada desert, faster, stealthier, and more advanced than anything before. Whispers among aviation enthusiasts and defense analysts painted a picture of a jet that could outmaneuver and outsmart any adversary, a ghost in the sky that left no trace. This was the Next Generation Air Dominance, or NGAD program, so secret it was officially denied. Hidden behind layers of classified documents and guarded airbases, the project became the stuff of legend, fueling speculation and anticipation for years. Today, the United States Air Force unveils its crown jewel, the F-55 Wraith. The world finally gets a glimpse of the aircraft that has dominated defense circles and inspired countless theories. The F-55 is not just an upgrade, it's a revolutionary leap in air combat. It represents a new philosophy in aerial warfare, where speed, stealth, and intelligence converge in a single platform. Its tailless diamond wing design and seamless light-absorbing skin make it nearly invisible to radar. Every surface, every angle is engineered to deflect detection, allowing it to slip through enemy defenses undetected. The F-55 fuses airframe, sensors, and software into a single lethal entity. Advanced artificial intelligence and networked systems give pilots an unprecedented edge, turning the jet into a flying command center. For decades, the F-22 Raptor ruled the skies, but adversaries have caught up. The world's airspace has become more contested, and the need for a new champion has never been greater. The F-55 is America's answer, a new apex predator for a new era. It's designed to dominate in environments where older jets would struggle to survive. Its unveiling electrifies the military and aerospace industry alike. Engineers, pilots, and strategists see the Wraith as a symbol of American innovation and technological supremacy. The F-55 pushes the boundaries of materials, propulsion, and digital engineering. Every component is optimized for performance, survivability, and adaptability in the face of evolving threats. As it transitions from secret prototype to operational asset, it rewrites the rules of air combat. The Wraith is not just a weapon, but a statement of intent, a promise that the skies will remain secure. The ghost that haunted test ranges is now ready for the world stage. Once a myth, the Wraith is now poised to shape the future of aerial warfare. The era of the Wraith has begun. Its first flight marks the dawn of a new chapter in military aviation. The legend is no longer a rumor, it's reality. What was once hidden in the shadows now stands as a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. The skies will never be the same. With the F-55 Wraith, a new standard has been set, and the future of air dominance has arrived. The F-55 story began in the high-stakes environment of Pentagon war rooms, where the future of air combat was being debated by the nation's top military minds. Here, every decision could shape the balance of power for decades to come. U.S. planners watched with growing concern as rivals like China and Russia rapidly closed the technology gap, investing heavily in next-generation weaponry and advanced tactics. The global landscape was shifting, and the margin for error was shrinking. New generations of advanced air defenses emerged, capable of tracking and targeting even the most sophisticated stealth jets, including the F-22 and F-35. The old rules of air superiority no longer applied. The Air Force realized it needed more than just another fighter jet. It needed a complete paradigm shift, a revolutionary leap in both technology and strategy to stay ahead of evolving threats. Enter the NGAD initiative, a bold vision for a family of interconnected platforms, each designed to work seamlessly together. At the heart of this vision stood the F-55, poised to become the spearhead of a new era in aerial warfare. The F-55 was engineered for deep penetration into hostile territory, with unmatched range, advanced sensors, and electronic warfare capabilities. Its mission? To unlock and dismantle the world's toughest air defenses, opening the door for allied forces. Unlike its predecessors, the F-55 was developed using cutting-edge digital engineering and rapid prototyping. Thousands of virtual test flights and simulations were conducted before the first real jet ever left the ground, dramatically accelerating development and reducing risk. But the F-55 isn't just a replacement for the Raptor, it's the quarterback of the air war, orchestrating drone swarms, coordinating with legacy fighters, and serving as the central node in a vast network of manned and unmanned systems. The mission is clear: not just to win individual dogfights, but to ensure the entire team dominates the skies and secures victory in the wars of tomorrow. The F-55 is more than a fighter, it's the foundation of a new era in air power. Beneath the F-55's skin lies technology that borders on science fiction. Its adaptive cycle engines shift between fuel-saving cruise and high-thrust combat modes, giving it unmatched range and speed. The smart skin embeds thousands of sensors across the airframe, turning the jet into a 360-degree surveillance platform. The F-55 sees, listens, and communicates in all directions, while remaining electronically silent. Inside, a panoramic touchscreen and AI co-pilot distill torrents of data into a simple, intuitive battlefield picture. The AI highlights threats, suggests tactics, and manages electronic warfare, freeing the pilot to focus on strategy. Its modular open architecture design means rapid upgrades. New sensors, processors, or weapons can be swapped in with ease. The F-55 is a living platform, evolving to meet tomorrow's threats. It's not just a jet, it's a technological ecosystem. Adaptability is its greatest weapon. The F-55 takes stealth to a new level, broadband stealth, making it nearly invisible across the electromagnetic spectrum. Its tailless shape and multi-layered composite skin trap and dissipate radar waves of all frequencies. The result, the F-55 is less a needle in a haystack, more a grain of sand on a beach. Its adaptive engines run cooler, and exhaust is vented over the wings to mask heat signatures from infrared sensors. The F-55's electronic warfare suite can create false targets, confuse enemy radars, and even mimic civilian aircraft. It doesn't just hide, it manipulates what the enemy sees. The Wraith is not just invisible, it's a master of deception. It shapes the battlefield before the first shot is fired. The F-55 is the ultimate ghost in the machine, stealth redefined for the 21st century. The F-55 Wraith was never meant to fly alone. It's the keystone of a new air combat architecture, working in tandem with the F-35 Lightning II. The F-35 is the versatile workhorse. The F-55 is the specialized air dominance master. In a future campaign, F-55s penetrate enemy airspace, mapping threats undetected. They relay targeting data to F-35s, which strike from afar without revealing their positions. The F-55 acts as the quarterback, the F-35s as the playmakers. Together, they create a layered, networked offense and defense. The F-55 carries long-range missiles. The F-35 brings the arsenal. This synergy is more powerful than any single platform. Air superiority is now a collaborative symphony. The future of air combat is teamwork, networked, precise, unstoppable. The Wraith leads the orchestra. Veteran pilot Colonel James Voodoo Collins describes flying the F-55 as conducting an orchestra, not just flying a jet. Every movement is precise, every decision amplified by the technology at his fingertips. The F-55 isn't just a machine, it's a partner, responding to the pilot's intent almost before the thought is fully formed. The AI anticipates the pilot's needs, handling routine tasks and letting the pilot focus on tactics. It's like having a co-pilot who never tires, constantly monitoring the environment and ready to offer solutions in split seconds. This partnership between human and machine is seamless, allowing the pilot to operate at the edge of their abilities. In legacy fighters, pilots juggled radar, fuel, comms, and flying. Every task demanded attention, and mistakes could be costly. The workload was relentless, and even the best pilots were pushed to their limits by the sheer volume of information and split-second decisions. In the F-55, the AI tracks dozens of targets, highlights threats, and suggests responses. It filters out the noise, ensuring the pilot sees only what matters most. The system's intelligence means pilots can react faster and with greater confidence even in the most chaotic airspace. The pilot decides, engage, delegate to a wingman, or send a drone. With a single command, the F-55 coordinates assets across the sky, turning complex missions into orchestrated maneuvers. The pilot becomes a true mission commander, not just a flyer. The panoramic display is fully customizable. Navigation for transit, tactical plots for combat. Pilots can tailor their view to the mission at hand, switching seamlessly between modes and information layers, always in control. Enemy and friendly forces are color-coded with threat rings and safe corridors mapped in real time. The battlefield is visualized like never before, giving pilots instant clarity on where to strike and where to avoid. Major Siren Williams calls it like playing a video game with all the cheat codes on. Training in VR, pilots master the systems before ever leaving the ground, building confidence and skill in a risk-free environment. The sense of situational awareness is unprecedented. Pilots can see, understand, and act on more information than ever before, making them more effective and safer in the skies. Pilots go from hunters to masters of the entire battle space. They command not just their own jet, but a network of assets, shaping the outcome of the mission with every decision. The F-55 changes the mindset of air combat. Proactive, not reactive. It's total dominance, redefined. The future of aerial warfare is about anticipation, control, and overwhelming advantage. The future of flying is here, and it's rewriting the rules of the sky. The F-55 Wraith is rewriting Air Force doctrine. Dogfights are obsolete. Information is the new weapon. The F-55 enables disaggregated networked warfare, small, distributed forces linked by data. A single F-55 can command a squadron of unmanned collaborative combat aircraft, or loyal wingmen. These drones expand sensors, carry extra missiles, or jam enemy defenses. The F-55 orchestrates the fight, sending drones ahead to engage threats or jam radars while guiding F-35s to strike. The Wraith may never fire a shot, but it ensures victory with minimal risk. This doctrine generates mass without vulnerability and creates dilemmas for adversaries. By pairing a few F-55s with many affordable drones, the Air Force builds a resilient, cost-effective force. The F-55 is the catalyst for a new era of air warfare. The F-55's arrival is a geopolitical game-changer. Its range and stealth let it operate inside the world's most dangerous airspace, breaking through anti-access defenses. The message nowhere is safe from American air power. The F-55 reassures allies and deters adversaries, restoring U.S. credibility. Its technology will spin off into civilian advances and strengthen the defense industrial base. But it will also spark a new arms race as rivals scramble to catch up. The F-55's open architecture ensures it can outpace countermeasures. It's not just a new jet, it's a platform built to win the long game. The F-55 Wraith is more than hardware. It's a symbol of American resolve to control the skies. Air superiority underpins all military operations. The F-55 guarantees it for the 21st century. Its revolutionary technologies, adaptive engines, smart skin, AI fusion, set a new standard. The Wraith will command a network of manned and unmanned systems, restoring strategic advantage. Its true power lies in deterrence, making war too costly for any adversary to contemplate. The F-55's victory is measured in peace, not combat. The ghost is out of the machine, ushering in a new era of air power. The skies are secure, for now and for the future.